Hello and welcome to a new video. I made an unfortunate discovery. The so-called ETA Lambdas are out there on the cone channel. So you ask, what are ETA Lambdas? You probably will know the bicall and the by-row function. With bicalls, for example, you need to get your array and then you type in, for example, if you want to do the sum by column, type in lambda a, sum a, close all that stuff, so that you have this formula, and this formula here, for example, is 30 characters long. But with the so-called eta functions, eta lambdas, you do not need to type in this with all the lambda stuff. You only need to select the array, and then after the delimiter, when you jump into the function section, you see there a drop-down list with multiple selectable so-called eta lambdas. So you have, for example, their sum and other easy functions like concat, but also some basic statistical descriptive functions like standard deviation. And you see down there, you can also use, as before, the lambdas with your arguments and so on. So you only need to type in then sum, close the brackets, and you have a lambda, a bicall function that is basically the same, does the same, has the same output, but is 13 characters longer in this case. This both is possible for bicall and by-row. For example, here, if you want to concat this by row, those numbers. But you can only use for the eta lambdas the selectable functions. I don't know, a little bit more than a dozen functions. And if you want to have more advanced functions, for example, you use here the the large function also on, you need to go to the lambdas and write there, for example, for large, so lambda a, large a, and then, for example, third largest value. There isn't currently an eta lambda for that, but you will never know what there will be in the future. So, just a short announcement. If you don't have the ETA lambdas yet in your Excel, you need to be on Excel 365. That is obvious, and you also should run the newest update. So manually check for updates under the file options and here under the account options, and then you will probably also have the ETA lambdas. So thank you for your attention. I hope you found this new discovery also as pleasant as I found it, and I wish you a nice day. Bye.